Hello, this is Amrit Regmi. This is the video 3 of the Project 2 Space Invader game. In video 3, I'm going to explain about the pattern, strategy pattern I have used in this project. This is the strategy pattern demonstration of my final project. Let me show the UML diagram for the strategy pattern I have used. Here we have used the aggregation between the enemy and the move strategy, and then we have two different interface that implements the move strategy and render strategy interface. The interface move strategy shows the movement of the enemy. Render strategy shows the render of the enemy bombs and big oval bombs. Move alive strategy implements move strategy to perform do move function, while as render alive strategy implements the render strategy to perform do render function which return nothing, which is a void function. Actually we are overriding it. Enemy class is aggregating the move strategy and render strategy. To show where we use this strategy pattern, let me go ahead, run the program. So when we start the program, the movement of the enemy and the falling of the bombs and oval bombs, these oval bombs are actually the part of the strategy pattern. Inside the strategy pattern, we have the move strategy that has the do move function, which is implemented inside the move alive strategy. Likewise, inside the render strategy, we have the do render function, which is defined inside the render alive strategy. So render strategy has the do render void function. Now that uses the graphics 2D G2. So this is my explanation for the strategy pattern. Thank you.